If you are looking for an online whiteboard tool for brainstorming, team collaboration, project planning, or visual organization, you have probably heard of Miro. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll quickly go over Miro's main feature, its pros and cons, pricing, and who it's best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Miro? Miro is a cloud-based collaboration platform designed for teams, students, designers, and businesses. Think of it as a digital whiteboard where multiple people can work together in real time. You can create mind maps, flow charts, wireframes, project boards, sticky notes, presentations, and more. It works directly in your browser, and there are also desktop and mobile apps available. Main features of Miro: Infinity Whiteboard. One of Miro's biggest features is its infinity canvas. You can zoom in and out endlessly and organize large projects without running out of space. This is especially useful for brainstorming sessions and visual planning. Real-time collaboration. Miro allows multiple users to work on the same board at the same time. You can see live cursors, comments, edits, and changes instantly, which makes remote teamwork much easier. Templates. Miro includes hundreds of ready-made templates for things like mind maps, agile workflows, Kanban boards, UX wireframes, SWOT analysis, project roadmaps, meeting notes. This saves a lot of setup time, especially for beginners. Integrations. Miro integrates with many popular tools including Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Jira, Notion, Zoom, Trello. These integrations help teams connect their workflow without constantly switching apps. Presentation mode. You can turn boards into presentations directly inside Miro. This is useful for meetings, workshops, or team discussions without needing separate presentation software. AI features. Miro now includes AI powered tools that can help generate ideas, summarize notes, organize content, and create diagrams faster. While the AI tools are useful, they still work best as assistants rather than fully automatic solutions. Pros of Miro: easy collaboration. Miro is one of the best tools for remote teamwork. The real-time editing experience is smooth and reliable. Huge template library. The large number of templates makes it beginner-friendly and helps speed up workflows. Very flexible. You can use Miro for business planning, education, design, brainstorming, product management, and more. Cross-platform support. It works on Windows, Mac, tablets, and smartphones, so teams can collaborate from almost anywhere. Clean interface. Despite having many features, the interface is relatively easy to learn compared to some enterprise collaboration tools. Cons of Miro: free plan limitations. The free version is usable, but some advanced features and board limits are restricted. Can be cluttered. Large boards with too many elements can quickly feel messy and difficult to navigate. Performance on huge projects. On very large boards, especially with many collaborators, performance can sometimes slow down depending on your device and internet connection. Learning curve for advanced features. Basic tools are easy to use, but advanced workflows and integrations may take time to fully understand. Pricing. Miro offers a free plan for individuals and small projects, paid plans for teams and businesses with more collaboration and security features. For casual users, the free version may be enough, but larger teams will probably need a paid subscription. Who should use Miro? Miro is great for remote teams, students, designers, product managers, marketing teams, teachers, startups. If your work involves brainstorming, planning, or visual collaboration, Miro can be extremely useful. Final verdict and conclusion. Overall, Miro remains one of the best online collaboration and whiteboard tools available in 2026. Its biggest strength are flexibility, real-time collaboration, and it's a huge template collection. It is not perfect, the free plan has limits, and large boards can get messy. But for most teams and creators, Miro delivers a very solid experience. If you need a powerful visual collaboration platform, Miro is definitely worth trying. And that is it for this Miro review. If you found this video helpful and useful, please make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below with your favorite collaboration tool. Share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.